Wait.
Happy birthday.
Mickey. Bol be.
What should I say?
Say Nanama.
Nana, you
Not
are
Namma. Nanama.
Nana, you are the best.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
We love
And
you.
I love you.
I miss you.
I miss you.
You're too good, Nanama.
I miss my rotis. Tell your Nanama.
Miss my soup luti.
I miss my soup luti and my pancake.
Okay.
Happy birthday, mother-in-law. We wish you the best birthday ever. And may you have many more years to come. And get to see all your grandchildren grow up and see them get married. We love you.
Happy birthday, Ma. Happy 60th birthday, which is a big one. And you worked really hard for the last how many years?
Many years.
Many years. And definitely helped Divya and me and brought us up to a level where Dad would be really happy with you. So congratulations on hitting 60, and we all pray that you hit 100. And we can't wait to make sure that we get our kids married and Divya married at some point, and you should be able to see all of this, and we pray that that you're blessed with that. And also Divya's told me that there's going to be a pretty decent gathering of family to celebrate this. So I would thank everyone for being there and for showering your blessings and your intercessions on my mom. And మా అమ్మ పుట్టినరోజుకి మీరందరూ అక్కడ వచ్చి సంతోషాల్లో పంచుకున్నందుకు నా కృతజ్ఞతలు. Thank you very much. Have a wonderful day and enjoy the party. Thank you.